Reliability and validity. Relation with measurement errors. Reliability focuses on the extent to which a particular measure provides consistent results when repeated, whereas validity is concerned with the crucial relationship between the concept and the measure. The issue of reliability of a measure is related to the amount of random errors associated with the measure. The amount of random error is inversely related to the degree of reliability of the measuring instrument. A highly reliable indicator of a theoretical concept is one that leads to consistent results on repeated measurements. In other words, it should not fluctuate greatly due to random errors. Just as reliability is inversely related to the amount of random errors, similarly validity depends on the extent of non-random errors present in the measurement process. The amount of non-random errors is inversely related to the degree of validity of the measuring instrument. Invalidity arises because of presence of non-random errors, for such error prevents indicators from representing what they are intended to do, the theoretical concept. Instead, the indicators represent something other than the intended theoretical concept, or perhaps a different concept entirely. So, random errors lie at the very heart of reliability, and non-random errors lies at the very heart of validity. This is end of section 2. I hope you were able to understand the concept of a measure, measurement errors, and how validity and reliability arise from these concepts.